kajika di komputer bat di laptop kabahajan jong phi. Hapaham sim Nongpoh Bhoi district mar persya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School. Wantit nangi ngin airu ka warranty. Hendriu banaya ki laptop bat khatar banaya ki desktop. Kini ki mar refurbish lane ki all stock.
Banang te lakam ya ka jingnang yolat ki briu banwan khai drugs hapo ka jela miglaya ka ba menta ki pajba hakani ka jela ki babon ki langop how new ja jingdi ka Sorkar lingbau ba polling do badai menteri Sorkar bope yaktanat social welfare haba kren skilat pathai khubor la penbana ya ka rai jong Sorkar banbu ya ki kor pej bnya ya ki kali lani ki Mashin Skan kali hari Bhoi district bat ha east giant hills ki belong ki Tylli ki district ki bagi breu ki banabar ki yok banwan rung syak jela miglaya hakaba ya kani ka Sorkar kan sedang no ban penteri kam hapo ki hendriu banai banwan uba polling do la pentebru ba ka jingelang kala shimru ya ka rai ban penklan shushu ya ka kenhun trekam persyayu drugs lingba ka anti narcotics task force ANTF na ka benta ban ya kun persya ya ka jingkai drugs hapo ka jela ulong ru ba ya ka jingdon jong kinong treimon sngewbha Haki Shnong per lani ki Village Defense Party VDP labu ru kumbakhat sangut hakawe ke parti kenang ban pentikna ba haki jaka baduna ka jingbun brieu anla ban penbiang ya ka jingdon kam
vehicle kide ki bangi ngin install haka jaka ka ba haka entry point te ka bomot barok ki kali kenya ling ba jum ki screening vehicles te kanum don ka jat kali ka ba light bat ka banum light barok kin haknya
hakin ki bantakin bantalas
kawai ka bangala omantan kadai na entry point na Bhoi district bat ka ba ark ka badai na east giant hills kini gidi artli ki jaka na ka ba ki drugs ki room shemegala of just one organization. We are committed to eradicating narcotics and drugs from the state of Meghalaya. We know our duty and responsibility. We will not work under duress. Okay, this is an elected government that has a commitment and an agenda. We do not work because somebody has or is pushing us with their points. We appreciate all suggestions, but we will work, as I reiterate, we will not work under duress. In fact, HYC was part of a meeting held yesterday at the instance of the mission director of the Dream Project. Nakataka daw na ban biyang ikani pamenta ngilalet banra iya kani isu bakan namdai isu tanjong ka Sorkar. Kadi bandai ka jong ka community jong ka imlang sa alang. Teka community based program ka baklandu ka bangidon kadai lingba ka jingtau yaki VDP. Tingi penslur ya kajing tahu susu iki VDP mentangi la ikran ba haka next cabinet ngin wanra ya ka amendment ya ka Meghalaya Police Act para jar shipau kenang bang ngin kiu no ya kajing siu iki volunteers ngin penbiang iki uniform jongki Shillong kumbakalong mentangi dontang khatway Tylli VDPs ngerengi i ba ka jingdon kam ka long bunsha ai kata te nak takadaw sisin pede bangila don ki niki VDPs hiba ki kini rap ban identify kini rap identify manu ki nongde kino kino ki ba ya shrom cheneng ka ba long suspicious ya kum kita pada ki report back chaka team jogi kabadai hakapo chungka local police station beteng hadu banta tekinu kidu kishnong khamtam ki ba ai ka jingkershan ta ka baki ai kendo ni long ki deploy ling ba ka ni ka dream mission ba ngin nang penbun ya kini rehab ba di addiction center te ndai ka ba kongsan kalong ba ngi hab ban sungthu ba ngi hab ban let shaka bedeng jong ni ka jing ya so thiet jong ni ka jing ya ka badai ka supply chain ngi hab ban kut ya ka supply chain unless we go to the root of the problem, which is how do we make sure that the supply chain is cut. Then we will only have more and more rehab centers because there will be more and more drug users. So then we will reach a point where there will not be sufficient space for drug users because everyone has become an addict. So the strategy now is that while we offer those services, de-addiction, rehabilitation, we will have to concentrate more on policing.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru yue ar nyau lai